Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. Man, I got a cool one for you today. 57 Chev, 210, 283 under the hood, 4 barrels sitting on top, and she is beautiful. Look at the paint work on this thing, man. You want to talk about gorgeous? That paint is looking slick as can be. Body lines are looking great. All the chrome looks brand new, and baby, this thing has got some chrome on it. Look on the front of the fenders, on the front of the hood, the grill, the center section, the bumper, just everything about it is just looking beautiful. You can see a reflection in all of it. See how these are looking beautiful. As you look at this stainless going down the side, also looking sweet, and then she's set off with a set of Cragars. It's got a great stance, back end's a little higher than the front end. Looks like she's ready to go out hot rodding or go to the local car show and start winning awards. Pop open the door here. Look at this interior. Looks very original in there. Absolutely gorgeous. All the fabric and vinyl looks like it's brand new. Package tray's looking sweet. Headliner looks great. Dome lights working in there. And then look at the dash, man. It looks like a brand new 1957 in there. All the paint work, the faces of the gauges, the trim, the chrome, the stainless. Just everything about this thing is looking slick. Look at this door jamb. You want to talk about brand new? Of course, that's one of the first things we look at on every car is the door jambs. Anybody that spends that much time restoring the door jambs, you know they did a good job on the rest of the car too. All right, I got 3 keys here. I'm gonna go with this one. Wrong. We'll try this one. Ah, good. Look in there. Wow. That looks like one of the original tires, isn't it? She's beautiful. It looks like the jack's in there. Look at the paint work in here. Always pull up the mat. I don't care what kind of car you're buying. Look at that paint work on that trunk floor. And all the wiring. You see that wiring? Looks like it's brand new also. She is a beauty, guys. 57 210. Look at the bottom side of the deck lid. Look at that workmanship. Then you can see they had the latch out when they did the restoration. They didn't paint any of these parts. Very nice job. The attention to detail is off the hook. Look down the passenger side here. I love the way the car sets. Got just enough rake on it. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do consignment. That means we own this 57, so you know we did our homework before we bought it. The first thing that happens to every car here at Vanguard is they go up on the lift and we inspect them so Tom can answer every one of your questions when you call him at 248-974-9513. And I'm just going to tell you how soft that paint feels, man. She is great. Now we're going to take this baby out and take a look at the bottom side and get out and drive it. All right, it's 57 Chev time, baby. Let's go for a ride. My favorite, 3 on the tree. It's what I learned to drive on. Had that old pickup truck on the farm, used to drive the lane. Just had a blast, man, whenever they needed anything. Matter of fact, my dad told me an old story that they'd get tired of messing with me when I was young, and they'd tell me, go up to the barn and get a 1/2-inch wrench. They didn't need a wrench. They just were trying to get rid of me. And I had some fun driving that old 3 on the tree. Now, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can ship this beauty anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom will tell you just how easy it is to park this dream in your driveway. And she is gorgeous. As you can see, the reflections on that hood, Isn't that amazing how nice that looks? Looks like a light blue mirror out there, doesn't it? Just beautiful workmanship on the paint on this car. She's driving awesome, feels good, going through the gears good, the brakes feel good. Just everything about it is just awesome, guys. Take this anywhere, I guarantee you it is gonna win awards. We go downshifting around the corner here. Now look at this dash. The paintwork on this dark blue is just amazing. It's got some metallic in it. Then you can see all the gauges are stock and they're all looking sweet. She is a beauty. You can see she's still got the stock radio, so if you're a guy that needs to listen to the radio, you can get radios that look like they're original but have all the new stuff where you can hook up your phone and all that good stuff. Of course, I never turn on my radio in a muscle car. My everyday car, I'll listen to the radio, but not in the muscle cars. I'd rather listen to the car. Here we go. I said going through the gears, just nice and smooth, no problem whatsoever. For those of you who don't know, it's basically an H pattern. Up here is reverse, down here is first, back here is second, and down here is third. Real easy. I mean, a lot of people get intimidated by these, but no reason to get intimidated whatsoever. So we're close to the airport if you'd like to come visit us and you need to fly. If you'd like to drive in, even on the weekend, just give us a call, let us know you're coming. And if you want to send an inspector, we'd love to see your inspector. Now we're about to put this baby up in the air so you can see how nice the bottom side is too. All right, we're underneath the 57 now, and man, this may be one of the nicest ones in the country. Look at this thing. Look at the paintwork on the frame. It's got new bushings. Of course, it's got the primer bottom. Now, I don't know if this is primer or if it's paint to look like primer, because it's awful slick. You know, primer's usually got a little bit of a roughness to it. You can see new exhaust. I see new nuts and bolts everywhere. The tank is in great shape. The rear end housing has got a 355 gear in it. It's all painted up. You see brand new snubbers here. You see brand new brake lines. And the guys still pull apart the brakes, make sure they're in good working order. Everything under here is looking slick. Of course, new pipes up here too for the exhaust. We got new flex line here, new brake lines, more new bushings. And this paintwork under here is just phenomenal, man. It just looks great. Then look at the back sides of the rockers. Now, whenever you're buying a Tri-5, you gotta look at this body brace right here. That is one of the first ones to go. You can see how they did, just like in the factory, they put a little bit of undercoating on there. Everything, look at this pinch weld, there's more new body mounts. You know, one of the reasons these things rotted out is, see, they left these holes here. That was supposed to drain off water, but it also collected stuff. So you can see the floorboards are looking good. It's got some good looking shiny mufflers. We got our 3-speed manual transmission here. We got the cover on the flywheel here. I mean, just everything under here is looking sweet. Starter, looks like it's a rebuilt unit. We got all the steering gear looking good here. It does have power steering. The cross member also, look what nice shape this cross member is. Most of these cars are just all beat to hell from 1,000 floor jacks and railroad tracks and everything else. Front frame horns are nice and straight. Bumper's definitely a new unit. I can see some markings here on the back. You can see how nice and shiny the backside is. Even the backside of the valance here is all painted up, looking good. The bumper brackets are all painted up, looking good. Ball joints are all in good shape. All the suspension parts, the guys will go through those. Again, all new nuts and bolts everywhere. Look up in that wheel well. Look how nice and clean this thing is. Unfortunately, when you get this thing home, this is all stuff you're gonna have to do. I'm making you a laundry list. You gotta get up in that wheel well and keep her clean. We got brand new Cragars, brand new BFGs. We got two 25/60 15s. And as you look down the side, the bottom side of that rocker, you can tell the painter wasn't afraid to bend over. The bottom side of that rocker is painted up just as nice as the rest of the car. Now out back, we got a little bigger tire. We got two 45/60 15s back here. And again, tire brand new, rim brand new, paint looking sweet. And then the chrome back here, man. Look at that chrome. Man, that's beautiful. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood, we got the period correct 283. Now, all the dates line up. This very well could be the original motor for the car. It's got the Carter 4-barrel on there, which is very close to original. We got the, this is actually a 12-volt generator, so that's cool. It's been upgraded. We've got power steering pumps mounted to the back, just like back in the factory. The master cylinder, it looks like it's been all cleaned up. Probably restored, of course. Everything, the hoses look good. We got the GM markings on the hoses. We got the correct clamps on there. Radiator is looks like it's been rebuilt. Also, it's all painted up black, looking good. All the paint work on the motors looking sweet. I mean, just everything about this car. This whole core support area, all painted up, looking good. And again, all the nuts and bolts are brand new. I mean, see how everything's painted up here, just neat as can be. And again, the latch, see that? They had that out when they did the restoration. I mean, this thing looks sweet, guys. Take this car anywhere you want and be proud. You're gonna have to drag home some trophies. You're gonna have to drag home some plaques, some ribbons. Guys, you're gonna need a shelf in the garage. So give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.